Hey guys, today I'll be making a video on modeling, on just really basic modeling. Okay, and the interface. Yeah, okay. So up here you'll see that you have all these options, and there's file, which is file. You have all these options right here. You got edit, which you can undo, redo, delete by type, like to delete the history. Modify, it's pretty much just modify. Create, you could create NURBS primitives, polygon primitives, volume primitives, and cameras and lights. Display, you could display the grid, or you could display the grid over here. There's UI elements, hide, show, all that. There's window, which you can put up all these different windows here, like all these, and yeah. There's assets, which I haven't messed with those too much. Oh yeah, right now I'm in dynamics. Let's go to polygons though. And there's all these mesh, which is mesh. You can combine objects, separate objects, extract objects, booleans, smooth, and all these. There's show modeling toolkit, which is over here, which is some new thing in 2014. Yeah, and there's bevel proxy, which is just that. Okay. Now there's this little bar, which is not very much. There's this, which is create a new scene, open scene, save scene, select by hierarchy and combinations. It gives you a little information right there. There's snap to grids. There's the selected item to nearest grid intersection point. There's snap to curves, snap to points, snap to projected center. Okay, and now I think it'll be set to general when you first do that. But that's group, ungroup, parent, unparent, biograph, and all that. Now let's switch to polygons. And to create your first thing, let's just create a sphere. And there you go, you got a sphere. To not make it in wireframe mode, just press 5. Or you could go up to here and press smooth shade all. Now, let's figure out how to change the subdivisions, which all you have to go to is here. Go to attribute editor and polysphere 1, and you can make it really high poly like that, and like that. Okay, there's that. There's these, this changes the radius of the sphere. This is initial shading group. And here's where you can change the color. And you could click this and change the color of your sphere. You can make it any color you want. You can change it to that. Change the transparency, which is pretty much self-explanatory. There's ambient color, which makes it just ambient color. I don't know how to explain. This makes it brighter and make it bright and stuff. There's bump mapping, diffuse, which is diffuse, translucent, translucent depth, and translucent focus. Now we won't get into all these for now. Now let's delete this and create a cube. And now how to model this cube to make it move, to make it look different, to deform it. You go change. Let's change the subdivisions width and height and depth. When the time comes, I'm gonna grow old, graceful. Okay. Now you want to right click and click face. There's vertex, edge, object mode, and UV, multi, and all that, but we're gonna click face. Now say we want to extrude this and make it like move up. You could just switch the move tool or W and move it like that. But if you don't want all this to be affected, you go up here to polygons, extrude, or edit mesh, extrude, and you can move it up and down like that. And to make it like go inside and make it smaller within this face, you press one of these cube things on the end of it, and you could move around like that and then move it up, or to make it extrude within that, go to extrude again and do that. And okay, there's now to extrude more than one face. You could either, because when you click like that, you realize that's not selecting more. All I have to do is press shift, and to deselect a face or vertex or whatever you're using, press control and click wherever you want, like that. And then and if you want to extrude something like this and you don't want it to go all weird like that, you want to go to edit mesh and click keep faces and unclick and click keep faces together to uncheck that, and then you could just do that and it extrudes, well, makes it smaller like that within these, but not all together. So you could do multiple of this without having to do it manually. And you could do this. Okay. Now there's, let's see, the rotate. You could just rotate, and then to move vertices, because right now you can't really move things right like that. You want to move a point, so you right click and click vertex, and then press space, and you get this pulled up. And let's go to top view. All you have to do is put your mouse there. You don't have to click or anything, and just select a part of like that, make it a little rounded, and you could do random stuff with it. Change vertices on where they are, and then you could change the roundness over here like that. to pan, you press Alt and your mouse wheel like that. And to zoom in, I'm just using my mouse wheel. There. Then you get this little thing, and to smooth it out and not make it all bulky like that, all you have to press is 3, and it makes it smooth like that. And to go back into to make it back like solid, you press 1 like that. And then there's edges, and you can move edges like that. You could do all that. Now, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll make another one soon. Bye.